welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today we have a Stitch Fix. I've had this for a little while now, but I just haven't been able to get into it. Just real quick, there is a giveaway going on right now. It's linked down below. 8 winners. There are some Jeffree Star palettes in that, so forth and so on. Also, I have a link that I will post down below for Stitch Fix that gets you $50 toward your first fix. The caveat with this is, because I've had people emailing me telling me that their credit didn't work, that they just got reverted back to the $25 credit, which is what is kind of just across the board for everybody that does Stitch Fix. The caveat is that I only have so many per month that can be utilized. And after those have been utilized for the month, it does get reverted back to just the normal $25 towards your first fix. So if you want the $50 credit, you kind of have to jump on it at the beginning of every month, or, you know, whenever the first box is every month that I post the link. So there is that, but again, a link for $50 towards your first fix, and I'm also pretty sure the styling fee is waived. So there is that. Let's get into Stitch Fix. So Stitch Fix is a clothing styling service. If you are not 100% sure what it is, there will be a playlist down below. I do go into more detail in some of the other videos, but basically you get a stylist, she sends you clothes. You get to communicate back and forth with a stylist. You get your little burrito of 5 things. It can vary whatever you specifically ask for. And as you guys know, I've had issues with the last 2 stylists that I've had. This is a brand new stylist. She is a senior stylist, so I really hope that this is a decent fix. You do get a return shipping label and bag, so for whatever you don't keep, you just put it back in the bag, throw it in the mail. You do get an invoice, and if you keep all 5 items, you do get a 25% discount off of the entire fix. Let's see. It looks like my entire fix, if I kept it all, would be $257. It does tell you what everything is, how much they cost, and then you also get a style card, which gives you ideas of different ways you can style the things, and you get a note. I'll put those pictures up of the invoice and the style card in case you guys are interested, and let's get into it. So first we have the 41 Hawthorne Riley Scallop Detail with Faux Wrap, black and size small for $78. I do think that this dress is cute. It's black. You know how I feel about having too much black in my closet, but I don't know. I think the detailing is cute. I love the scalloped neckline and how low cut it is, but there's this area right around the seam that doesn't seem like it's sewn right, or I don't know, it keeps buckling and folding over itself, and then I have like this area to where it just, I don't know, it's not smooth, it's weird, it's like it's cutting me off. So I think that this dress is probably going to be a no. Next we have the Calvin Klein dress. It's an Ellery knit dress in cobalt in a size 4 for $108. I really do love this color of blue. I feel it matches my skin tone really well. I do like this dress. I like the pleating on the side. I like how it's a thicker material. The only thing I'm unsure about is the length, because it's not a petite, so it does come below my knees. It's a problem I run into all the time, but it's not constricting as I walk. So I think that this dress would be okay and a good addition to my closet, so I will think about it. Next we have the Libby Faux Wrap Knit Dress by Liotta in dark gray and a small for $88. I do love the animal print of this dress. I do love the fact that it's low cut. I think that the ruffle around the bottom is a super cute detail. I am not a super duper fan of 3/4 sleeves, but I might make an exception for this dress. This dress will go in the maybe pile. Next we have the Linda Scallop Detail Faux Suede Dress in black by 41 Hawthorne in a size small for $78. I like this dress. The only thing is, when wearing a bra, it like did this weird thing, so I'm actually not wearing a bra with this dress right now, which kind of makes me a little uncomfortable. I'm going to have to find a bra that fits better with this dress if I do decide to keep it, but I love the length, absolutely love the length. I love the fact that it's suede. I love the scallop detail. I think overall, the way this dress fits and looks on me, overall, I do like it. So it will definitely go in the maybe pile. And last, we have the Abelia Textured Knit Dress in Navy by Adriana Papel in a size 4 for $124. I actually like this dress. I love how it's a dress, but it looks like a shirt-skirt combo. I really do like that. I love the knit detailing in the skirt part of it. I like the sheerness of the top. And I even like how it is open in the back. My issue with this dress is that I don't know if you can see this. I will try to zoom in, but you can see how the dress kind of puckers here. And I'm not sure why. There's plenty of room there. And if I straighten it up, but it just falls back down, so that has to do with the construction. And also when I walk around, it kind of bunches up right above my butt, which tells me that this is one of those dresses that is not really made for people with curves or a butt, because I'll walk around and it'll get like bunched up and loose right here. So if it weren't for the construction issues of this dress, it would definitely go on a maybe, because I do love the way it looks. I love the way it's above the knee. It's just a really, really cute dress. So if it weren't for those issues, it would definitely go in the maybe pile. So overall, I think that this was a good fix. I feel like maybe this new stylist gets me a little bit more. I will need her to try to stray a little bit away from the black and the grays and the blues, just because I have so many of those colors in my closet already. But I have a couple of maybes. Once I decide on them, I will throw them up. I'm really torn with this one. I really do like the style of it, and I really do. I don't know, I just like everything about this dress except for the fit. How it's too loose right above my butt and how it bunches up in the back. So, I don't know. I think it's really classy and really elegant, but unfortunately it's probably going to have to go back. I couldn't go any smaller on this dress because my rib cage is so large, like just right here. It's tight. Everywhere else, it just feels super loose. So that's unfortunate, but that's my body type. Again, I do have a few maybes, so I will throw those up and let you know when I make a decision. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day.